Using sunflower oil on hair for best results.
Sunflower oil is a popular natural remedy for hair care, offering various benefits such as moisturizing, preventing hair breakage, and improving hair health. But, how often should you use sunflower oil on your hair to see results?
Why use sunflower oil on hair?
Sunflower oil is rich in vitamins, nutrients, and fatty acids that help nourish your hair and scalp. Using it regularly can improve your hair's overall health and appearance. Some benefits include strengthening hair strands, reducing frizz, adding shine, promoting hair growth.
How often should I apply sunflower oil?
To see the best results, it is recommended to use sunflower oil on your hair 1 to 2 times per week. This frequency will allow you to experience the benefits without overloading your hair with oil, which could lead to greasiness.
How do I apply sunflower oil to my hair?
1. Measure out the oil. Use about 1 to 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, depending on your hair length and thickness. 2. Warm the oil. Gently heat the oil in a microwave or double boiler until it's slightly warm. 3. Apply to your hair. Using your fingertips, massage the oil into your scalp, working your way down to the ends of your hair. Be sure to coat all of your hair evenly. 4. Leave it in. Allow the oil to sit for at least 30 minutes or up to 2 hours. You can also leave it in overnight for a deep conditioning treatment. 5. Wash it out. Shampoo and condition your hair as usual, making sure to thoroughly remove the oil. Using sunflower oil on your hair 1 to 2 times per week can help improve your hair's health and appearance. Remember to warm the oil, apply it evenly, and wash it out thoroughly after each treatment. With regular use, you should see noticeable results in your hair's strength, shine, and overall condition.